Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In this video, I'm going to be cutting open the tiniest of Thunder eggs. So check these out. So these Thunder eggs I received in a sale that I got off of Etsy, and that was a $50 Thunder egg, and this was kind of like a bonus. So definitely check out my Thunder egg cutting video, and I'll leave a card up here. But that Thunder egg was super cool. It had all sorts of mossy agate in it, and it was just a really fun agate to cut open. But these Thunder eggs were included in that package as kind of a bonus. So today we're cutting open the tiniest of Thunder eggs, these lily pad Thunder eggs, and these came from Washington State. At the end of the video, I'm also going to be cutting open this Thunder egg, and this is another Thunder egg I got off of eBay. And it's an old Buchanan Thunder egg, and it came out of a mine from Richardson Ranch that is no longer open to the public. So I'm excited to cut open this one. Gonna cut it open at the end of the video to see what it holds inside. So definitely stick around to the end. I'm upstairs right now, so let's go ahead. We'll go downstairs, fire up the saw, and start cutting some eggs. See you down there. Just got done cutting our magnificent Thunder eggs. We had the 3 small Thunder eggs and the larger one there. So I'm going to show these in the order of which I prefer. This one was my least favorite, but honestly, they all turned out pretty great. So the banding on this is pretty great. I'm loving like that little bit of blue down here in the bottom, and that red and kind of that solid center is pretty snazzy. So that one was pretty cool. And with all of these, definitely let me know what you think in the comments below. Number 2 here was definitely pretty cool. It's more of a classic Thunder egg look, I think. And if the focus isn't perfect on these, I am going to throw up some stills so we can get a better look at what these look like. So this one was pretty cool. I'm really liking the brown there. And probably my favorite of the 3 here was our double Thunder egg, and it's kind of smaller. And this one just turned out phenomenal. It has that red and kind of almost a blue banding, and it even had a bit of geode with druzy quartz. And I think that turned out really fantastic. So those are really great. And our large Thunder egg here, if you remember, this was kind of our bonus. So I'm gonna spray this down, and then we're gonna see what it looks like. So big reveal, and I think this is just great. Yeah, totally great. It's got a ton of druzy quartz, and bonus, it is totally a geode. So some druzy quartz. I'm kind of digging this spot right there in the middle. It almost looks like soft marshmallow. And then it's even got some red, maybe some iron formation in the middle there. But just the banding and the reds and the clear and almost the blue and the matrix is green. And I think this is just really fantastic. So yeah, that's all of them. To close this out, I just wanted to say thank you everyone for hanging out and cutting some thunder eggs with me. This one, I'm just totally thrilled about these Buchanan thunder eggs, and like I said, I have a ton more of these to cut, so there's definitely going to be some more videos of those in the future. The lily pad thunder eggs, they turned out great, and I was just super excited with how these turned out. And as always, it's just been a total pleasure having everyone hang out with me, and I hope to see you in the next video. Be well.